Good morning, everybody. Thank you for joining me today. This is Laura Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. And today I'm going to show you how to make these super fun little treat pockets. I wanted to make these for you because I wanted to show you the envelope punch board and how awesome it is. This is a tool that I've had for a few years, and it's actually retiring at the end of the month. And of course, that means it's only available while supplies last. So I wanted to show it to you before that happens and give you a chance to know how awesome it is. And if you would like to get it, you better jump on that now, because when it's gone, it's gone. So obviously, of course, we can use the envelope punch board to make all different sizes of envelopes, and the instructions for how to do that are right on the tool. It's got the directions here, and then it's got these awesome charts for finding your card size. So say you've got a card that's 3 by 8 inches. So you find that on here, and then it tells you the paper size you need is 8 7/8 by 8 7/8. And then you score that at 2 5/8. And you just follow these directions here for how to make your envelope, and Bob's your uncle. It's fantastic for making custom envelopes for cards of all sizes, but you can also use it to make these cool projects like these treat pockets. And that's mostly what I use mine for, is using it for all kinds of different 3D projects and cool stuff like that. So that's what I'm going to show you today. So all you need to make these cool little treat pockets is your envelope punch board and a piece of designer series paper that's cut to 4.5 by 4.5 inches square. So I've chosen to use one of the new in colors that's coming out from the new annual catalog, and this one is Purple Posy. And I've got papers cut from all the other colors as well, because I'm gonna make treat pockets for next month's workshop attendees. And so these are all the beautiful new in colors, and aren't they gorgeous? And I love the designs that they've come up with for the designer series paper, especially this one that looks like script. I think that's just beautiful. So tuck those aside for the moment. Now your envelope punch board comes with a scoring tool right inside. Isn't that brilliant that you've got a place to store it when it's not in use? I love it. And you can see here this one button that you're going to use to punch your paper, and then it's got a score line here, and this is where you're going to slide your tool. So for this project, we're going to line it up first at 2 inches. Hopefully you can see the measurements on there. 2 inches is right there, and I'm going to punch, and then I'm going to score. And then I'm going to rotate, and I'm going to slide it to 2.5. Punch and score, and repeat again at 2 and then 2.5. And now we've got this cool shape. I'm done with this tool, so I'm going to put it away. I'm going to turn this around, and I'm going to use this same button here, and I'm going to round off these corners. So slide the paper inside and punch, and it just rounds off that corner. And that's it. I'm going to put this beautiful tool away because we're done with it for the moment. And now we're left with this cool shape. So you can see it would be very easy to fold this into an envelope for a card. And that's basically what we're going to do, except we're going to use it as an envelope for chocolate, because who doesn't love chocolate? And all we need to do is fold in 3 of the corners. And of course, because our beautiful designer series paper has 2 sides, you get to decide, do you want this side showing on the outside, or do you want this side showing? I think I'm going to do this side. So on one of these side flaps, what I'm going to do is add some adhesive here so that this one sticks on, and then on the bottom, fold that up, and now we've got a perfect little pocket. And then I've already stamped a sentiment here This is from the new stamp set Delightful Day, coming out in the annual catalog. And I love this fun little collection of sentiments and some fun graphics to go along with it. These are really fun. I actually won this as a prize patrol at Onstage, so I have stamped this just a little something for you and then punched that out with one of the punches that's coming out in the new catalog. And I've even gone over it with a sponge dauber. Can you see on the edges there? Just to make that pop a little bit. So I'm just going to assemble this real quick. There we go, just a little something for you. And that's the perfect size for one of these fantastic little Ghirardelli chocolates. I love buying these. I usually get them at the drugstore, and you can buy a bag of assorted chocolates. And then I will put these out at a workshop for all the attendees who come, just as a thank you for coming. And it's just a little way to show that you can do a lot of things with Stampin' Up, not just cards, not just scrapbooking, but you can make a lot of little projects. These make wonderful stocking stuffers or thank you gifts or any other kind of gift as well. It's just really fun. So that's it. That's how you make a treat pocket using the envelope punch board. And like I said, if you're interested in this product, then you should purchase right away because it's going to be gone soon. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I thank you so much for joining me today. Please drop me a comment and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you want to learn about, please let me know. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, and you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, the local workshop schedule, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. And if you're watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page under Inkyfingers Papercrafting, and there you can join a weekly card sketch challenge and win a prize from me. And who wouldn't want that? If you place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code is going to get a free gift from me. Probably not chocolate, because I can't send that through the mail, but we can hope. If you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards and have a party where I come and bring these for all your guests, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your own virtual or in-home party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'. Bye.